In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email domain in Omnisend. Verifying your domain is an important step if you want your email campaigns to look professional and land in your subscribers' inboxes instead of spam. It proves to email providers that Omnisend has permission to send emails on behalf of your domain. Let's start inside your Omnisend account. From your main Omnisend dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click that. This is where you manage the more technical parts of your account, including domains. Once the settings area is open, look for the section labeled Domains and click on it. This is where you'll see any domains that are already connected, and it's also where you can add a new one. On the domains page, find and click the button that says Add Domain. This starts the setup process for connecting your own email sending domain to Omnisend. You'll be taken to a setup screen. Here, simply click Continue to move forward to the part where you enter your domain details. Next, you'll see a field where you need to type in your domain name. This should be the main part of your website address without HTTP or www at the beginning. For example, something like yourstore.com. Take a moment to double check the spelling, because any typo here will cause the verification to fail later. Below that, you'll see a drop-down labeled Select Your Domain Provider. Click on that drop-down and you'll get a list of popular domain hosts and DNS providers, such as common registrars and hosting companies. Choose the provider where your domain's DNS is currently managed. If you're not sure, you can usually find this information where you originally bought your domain. Once you've selected the correct provider, click Continue again. Omnisend will now generate a set of DNS records for you. These typically include records like TXT, CNAME, and sometimes others. Each record will have a name, a type, and a value. Your next step happens outside of Omnisend. You'll need to log into your domain provider and open your DNS settings. There, carefully add each of the records exactly as Omnisend shows them. Make sure you copy and paste values to avoid mistakes. After you've saved those DNS records, return to Omnisend. The connection doesn't happen instantly. It can take up to 24 hours for DNS changes to fully propagate. Once they do, Omnisend will detect the records and mark your domain as verified, and you'll be ready to send branded, authenticated emails from your own